What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are finally starting this winery build behind me. As you guys saw, we've done some demo out here in the past. Today is the day we start snapping lines, plating, getting everything drilled out, getting prepped to frame. If you guys want to keep up with all the action, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell to the right of it. Now, a few videos ago, I asked you guys what you would like to see this place named. What would make you click that notification? And a lot of you guys simply chose Winery Build. Nice and simple, to the point. That's what we're going with. Winery Build, day 1, day 2, day 3. I've got 6 weeks to build this thing. You guys think we can do it? We've got material dropped. We've got Quentin and Fox bending bolts right now. We're gonna hit this place hard and we're gonna get it done. We've got stud material right here. We have flame block sheathing. We have never used this stuff before. This is flame block from LP. To me, it just looks like they've got some sort of coating on here for a fire stop. This stuff is pricey, about 4 times the cost of regular OSB. Set it right on top. This is gonna help this build out. I'm thinking we'll just go something like this. Go backside, a hold down. So what they did is went an inch over, or over. That way our OSB sits right on top of the concrete. We've got Q over there on the cut hub getting prepped. So that's a little bit better. We're showing 32 foot 1 and a hair. Within a quarter. 32 foot 3/4 over there, 32 foot 1 here.
All right, so we're gonna go in, it works out a 1/2 inch over both sides, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's pull a 1/2 inch in on both corners.
Yeah.
On board, I'm the captain.
It didn't move.
Pull it tight.
Like it?
Yeah. So in order for us to tie in our framing, we have to strip down the redwood siding right here and over there, along with those 2 corners. Not too bad. Luckily, we still have the scissor lift out here. We'll strip those 2, start plating. Now we just took lunch. It's a little bit later in the day. It took us a while to get out here. This morning I took some time to get the cut hub set up and get going with that. We're doing some demo now and checking our wall heights to make sure that our studs are cut at the correct length. We're gonna hop up here and double check this last one right now, and we should be good to go. All the way out, he's working on getting that last little section ran there. We'll finish out this guy here, hop to the next slab. Today's more of a preparation day to get us ready for framing. We are getting some plate down, but it's nothing like when we will be in full production mode. 210 was our number on that side. Spot on. Hey, cornball!
So you want to move that over here? Not good at all.
Gonna take this saw right here, Now that that's out, as you can see where this wall runs in, we'll be able to connect all the way up. Hopefully our plate height is the same, that 17'6". All the way down. All the way down. Hopefully. 210. 17'6". We've got this one here, that one, and then that one. So far, we're all pretty close with 17'6". Yeah, 210, we're right about 17'6". All right. So you guys know that we've had a lot of fun with concrete in the past. This is by far some of the best concrete we're ever going to follow. All of our demos done. We're ready. So this is 2x plate. We'll hang over a bit both sides. We'll go 36. Mark up. There and there. We'll pull inwards, 5 3/4. Five and 7/8. We're good. Thank you. Beautiful. I had a feeling I'd run into this problem eventually with this saw. This is the one big downside about it. Doesn't cut all the way through. Have to get tricky. 2 3/4. 5 3/8.
Holy moly.
I can't see it from mine.
We need to notch more for that pipe. $21.25. For every like you get on this video, you can smoke 1 cigarette a day.
I don't really like it.
Popping. One more. Popping. Concrete gets a little iffy in here, but nothing bad. One more. That's money. One more. Last little section didn't get hit too well. We'll hit that far side. It's you? This place is gonna be fun to frame. It's been a fun day. It's getting dark though. Whole thing over there is plated. Half of it's detailed. Pop still needs to finish that up in the morning. This unit here we started plating in the afternoon. Get this wrapped up tomorrow. Whole thing all the way around. This unit here can start framing tomorrow. It's gonna be a fun project. Well, we'll see how the cut hub does tomorrow. Overall, I think it's a great system. I think it works well. For framing, I think it's gonna do us well. We're not cutting our studs on this system. We're gonna lay all of our studs out and cut them all in place, drop these things in and start banging walls. Now on season 2's build, I had Quentin cut blocks for me on a miter saw without the whole cut hub setup, without the stop. And it took a heck of a lot longer. My cuts were nowhere near the same. This system helped him out quite a bit today. He was stoked. Now, instead of doing what I've done in previous videos where I do a couple days into one episode, we're going to do Winery Build day 1, day 2, all the way until the end of this project. Like I mentioned, we have 6 weeks to have this place built. We might be working Saturdays depending on how this place goes. Regardless, though, we're gonna have a ton of content dropping on this place. If you guys wanna see more, hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell icon to the right of it. Our little 4-man crew is going to crush this project. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bang on.